let's do this. Hello everyone, it's me Sato again from Low Cosplay, and today we are back with the third and final part for the Elesa cosplay tutorial, and in this one I'm gonna show you how I make a big beefy jacket from Pokemon. And as usual, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more content like this in the future, and without further ado, let's do it. So here are all the pattern pieces that I made for the jacket itself. This is the collar, the back side, front side and the arm. We begin with the arm, and I have drawn two lines on it, and on them I'm gonna sew an elastic strip on, but the strip is a bit shorter than the arm right is, so it will shrink in the end. This is how it will look like. A hem is added to the end of the arm, and this is also a bit shorter than the arm is wide. Here's the other arm to show you how it will look like. Now we're gonna start working on the main parts, and for this I sew the front and back together at the shoulder line. After this is done, the arm gets sewn on to the armhole. And now I'm gonna sew the arm and side together. The same steps will be repeated for the other side as well. I marked with the hand stitch where the arm hem gets folded, and then it gets sewn on the edge so it stays in place. Before I work on the collar, I transferred the front and back part to this fabric. The front and back get sewn together on the shoulder and side. And now you have a fluffy rest. This gets then sewn on the edges all around the main fabric. After this is done, it's time to work on the collar. For this I sew it together on the big curved part. It then gets turned inside out and the button gets also sewn together, but a small gap is left open in the middle. The collar gets now stuffed with a lot of this fiber fill. Afterwards, the small gap gets sewn together. This collar croissant will be then sewn to the main jacket, but be careful because it can be kinda hard to get it through the sewing machine. In the next step I just attached the inner lining, but for this I left a small gap open on the back side. For an in-depth tutorial on inner lining you can watch my video for it. Now I can fill up the arms to make them fluffy and soft. You just need to put as much fiber fill in it as possibly can fit. A quick reminder, I then have sewn the inner lining and outer fabric on the inside of the arm together so the fiber fill stays in place. For the last step you just have to close the hole on the bottom of the back side. And it's now time for the final review. So this was the tutorial. I know it's not good, but it's okay in my opinion, and if you want you can leave a comment down below what you like, what you dislike, what I can improve on this channel, what you want to see in the future video, or if you have any specific question you can put it here, or any private question you can put it in my last video. It's for an upcoming video in the future for the 500 special when we finally reach it. And until then, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and I see you in the next video. Bye. This is just water. My tea is over there and it's boiling hot, so yeah.